So, looks like I'm live. Hello, everybody. Sorry for the delay. OBS didn't want to show VS Code. I don't know what was going on there, but I finally figured it out. Okay. Yeah, let's first check what we're gonna. So, looks like I'm live. Oh, might have some feedback here. Okay. What the heck? Okay, no, for real. So yeah, we're gonna be working on Airsequel Sheet music again. And yeah, first let's check what issues are open and what we can work on. So we could work on filtering the list of songs, or that is all very meta stuff. Yeah, I think that's a good one. So if you have a song on Airsequel Sheet music, let me open something. Probably don't have a good example for it. So if you list the pages horizontally, they are aligned at the top right now. So if you have, for example, one page which is a little shorter, you can see it here, then it will be aligned at the top. But yeah, I think some people might prefer it being aligned in the center or even at the bottom, depending on your screen size and how it's set up on your keyboard or instrument, or however you look at the sheet music. And there's a CSS value called object top and object center and so on to control that. And since we're using Tailwind, I need to check the Tailwind documentation. So yeah, this is the values. Now let's figure out if we can adjust that here. First of all, then we can build the necessary toggle buttons to change it. Okay. So this should be the horizontal view. Here we go. Okay. Is there any CSS going on here? Oh, we have a play layout. Maybe we should go there. Okay. So let's check out that layout. Here we go. So, look at this. There's already a to-do in here. Good to know. Okay. Oh, so it's object center. No, I doubled it. Maybe that's the problem. Let's try out what happens if I set it to bottom. Let's remove that one here. Oh, did I kill the server? Okay. Is this even, let's check that image. If it's even, oh, okay. How big is it? Oh, it covers the whole page, so that's why why it makes no difference. Oh yeah, here you can see the number. Okay, maybe let's just make like a dummy song where we can see that better. So actually, let me just like add one page here. So I'm just gonna screenshot like 2 lines of it. Oh, but wait, the song is SVG. That might be a problem. Let's take something else. Let me check the formats of the songs. So, no, they're all SVG. Okay, then you need to chop it up as an SVG. I think right now all files need to be the same format. I cannot mix SVGs and PNGs, which is, I guess, not really necessary anyway. So, but let me just, yeah, download the last side page here. Yeah, and then put it somewhere. Oh, you might not see that I'll use an external tool to chop off just 2 lines. Affinity Designer, to be precise. Just 1 second. Also, I wonder if I need to check comments. I don't see it on my screen, so I set up my phone right here next to me. Not sure if that works. Probably. Okay. Sorry, I'm struggling a little bit with the program to cut stuff. Okay, it's a very weird SVG file. I need to make a quick and dirty version here. I just changed the size of the SVG document, and yeah, not trying to delete stuff. Okay, looks awful, but should work. Okay, so I cropped the SVG. I'll just show you here real quick. So I just cut off some stuff at the top. Now we can add this as the last page. Actually, let me crop it a little bit more. This doesn't really look like this. Okay, let's see how it looks now. Okay, that is better. Okay, so we upload that as the next page of it. The name is just to make it easier to see what's going on here, but the more important thing is the ID. So it's ID3, file type SVG, and we can now upload it here. Okay, then let's see if it appears here. Looks good. We have our page here. Let's check if it's really like shorter. Okay, I'm not sure what exactly that means. Okay, let's just check what happens. No, but it's already object bottom. Maybe this is getting in the way. Okay, maybe I have the wrong idea how this works. Let's see what this does. Why is the image so high anyways? Oh, because the height is 100%. Huh. Oh, this is gonna be some tricky CSS. So right now I think it works. It scales it to 100% height and 100% width, and whatever happens first like limits the size. So here it reached 100% height, so doesn't scale anymore. But here it first hits 100% width. Let's see what happens if I change that. Yeah. Okay. I wonder if we maybe need to switch that to the container, not the image. So the image doesn't have the full height here and can move. Let's maybe try that. Syntax error. Oh. Well, that does not look right. I feel like it should be max height and width. What happened to the last page now? Oh. Okay, weird. What happens without it? It's funny that this is so small. Probably got a weird viewport size or something. Because the width and height are 100%, maybe that causes that weird behavior. If we check out this one, yes, oh yeah, it has a defined width and height. Okay, so that's why right now this is so small here. Okay, maybe let's go back here and what we had at the beginning. Oh, so it really is already in the center. Okay. Yep. Sometimes you just need to leave it as is. Oh yeah, great. That worked all the time already. I just needed a file which didn't have the full height. Okay, so now we need some button to change that. I was thinking of having like a toolbar here on the side, so that you can set up your design how you want it, and then you can just scroll sideways after you set it up. So maybe let's try to do that. Okay. So this is just one image. And here's all the images. Okay, for the different file types, PDF. Yeah, let's maybe just edit it here. No, wait, how do we want to add this? Writing too much Haskell? Here you go. Okay, now we have let's give it a width to see if it really is there. What's wrong here? Oh, CSS is missing. Okay, what happened to that? There we have our red bar. Oh, it's above. Why is it above? Oh, because all of them are in the... No. Let me check that. Here are the images. Oh, they are inline block. Okay. There we go. We have a menu bar. Maybe half the width. Okay. Okay. So now we need a button for switching between the three alignment types. Yeah, let's make it. I was just thinking if it should be a select button or radio buttons. Maybe better, like buttons that all of them are visible. Makes it easier and faster to switch than a select input. Okay, so let's just add 3 buttons here. And some icons, aka emojis. So the first is aligning it up or at the top. Then center. How do you do that? Check the arrows if something. Yeah, I'm not really sure what's a good middle icon. Maybe just like a horizontal line or something. Maybe just like a dot in the middle. Yeah, I guess that might work the best. Okay. How does it look? Oh. Why is it down there now? We need to make that flex. Flex column. Yep. Here we go. Okay. Some it's called cursor pointer. I don't know what that's not default for buttons, but never mind. Just add it. So we have a nice little. Oh, wrong position. There we go. I mean, it's not very self-explanatory, so maybe let's add a title at least. Oops. Yeah, that should be good enough. Okay. Yeah, let's make them a little bit bigger. Maybe let's style them as real buttons. Not sure about that one actually. Let's start with that. Oh, let's just add some padding. That might be too much. Okay. Maybe some borders to better show the end of the button. How does it work? Oh, like this, okay. So this is your color. Why does it not work? Let me check the documentation. Maybe you need that as well. No, that should do it already. Let me check this. Okay, weird. Oops. Why does it have no border? Yeah, that works. Oh, border solid is missing. Maybe. Yep, that's the one. Okay, maybe let's combine this here. Okay, here we go. A little too much. That looks wrong. Ah, damn it, it's the wrong one. So you need to set that up for the buttons, they somehow have a different color. Maybe it should have should be a little bit lighter. Yeah, maybe like this. Okay. Oh, why is it up there again? It's flex now. Wasn't there something like inline flex or something like that? That maybe does it. Not sure. I'm actually not sure why they're in that block, and I didn't do it with flex. I think there was something not working, and that's why I'm using. Okay, that's weird now. What the hell? It looks like the space for it is maybe I need to vertical align top or something. They're not always intuitive, the tailwind names. Here we go. Okay. So now we need to activate the buttons. Click. I wonder if yeah, let's make do like this. Too much Haskell coding. Okay, we need to store the alignment in the model. And the default is top. Okay. Where does onClick come from? Shouldn't it be already imported? Oh, it's yeah. I need to explicitly define where it comes from or not. Okay, let's check the package. Oh, it's HTML events. Okay. Still not? Ah. Oh, the classic message thing. Always confusing. How do you do that again? Okay, I need to pick the right message. Let me see how I did it somewhere else. So on the view song page, there should be buttons to change the view. Oh, they're just links. Okay, they don't help me. It's something like that. I don't know how many times I already had to find the messages, and it's always a struggle. I don't know why this is not more approachable. I think I need to read the Elm Land documentation first to figure out how exactly I'm supposed to map messages. Let's check what's in the shared model. Maybe it should actually be stored in the shared model. Yeah, I guess this will need some time to figure it out. It will take me some time to figure it out, and I'll have to check out the Elm Land manual. Probably not very exciting for you, so maybe let's just wrap it up here, and I will commit everything I have now, and then I will commit the fixes for the message passing afterwards. So if you're interested, you can just go to the GitHub repository and check out the commits later. Okay, thanks for following along today, and hope to see you next week.